Dems.
Oh.
Baru binak tuan
Namijo.
bikin raw blessed day.
Karua.
And mataka binak. We say good morning and welcome to Ouch Palang Show. We say Yan Binaka to
Really?
all our friends working at Vinod Patel and Punjus. Wherever you are tuning in from this morning,
Okay.
Yandra Mburubnaka, and welcome to VTFM.
A request to say good morning to all the people tuning in from inside the Jupiter ship.
Huh?
The Jupiter
Jupiter
ship.
is a planet.
Yes. This is called the Wanganingoli.
Yeah. Oi!
Jupiter ship, request to Meli Yadika, William Turabu,
Yeah.
Josaya Turabu, Wese Damakau,
Yeah.
Vituko Paula Mwakoto.
Right.
Thank you very much for tuning in this wonderful morning.
Likewise.
Likewise to all the team member from Sabu Sabu. From Sabu Sabu na Kuinawai.
Yeah.
Kuinawai team, Babaroti Tango Makan Vanilla Shield in this weekend.
Yeah. Bila melinganganga. Good morning to you and also to the team of Gurnanak. Gurnanak Kalsa from Waikona, from Lambasa. Waikona.
Yeah.
When you reach, enter the Lambasa town,
Yeah.
on the right far corner,
Yeah.
you see Guru Nanak Kalsa College is there with their uniform coming together to play for the Dinch and the Railway here. Under 17 versus QBS, thank you very much. All the best for the game and everybody. Especially to Peter Toba. No, Peter Tobata. Peter Tawake. Von ini bila tentu 24th ball itu Alena Tonga Tawake. And Melbourne, Australia. Manasi Tawake, good morning to you. Takayawa Tawake, Melbourne, good morning. Tawake family Tadiru and England. Tate Kendi Lolo. Good morning.
Alam na kabatulo belum sarbi to kadian matakan di ngaram di kuah laki na Melissa Talitaki andre era non tango na boru takingo.
Everall good morning to the Osman Stone.
Warauni.
Warauni, good morning from the Matu Brothers.
Yeah.
Likewise to the one and only Stone from Mosdiani.
Oh.
Thank you very much for tuning in this wonderful morning.
Yeah.
Mbunangida tuning in from Essex, UK.
Good morning to our Tavali. Iyo ane betselala veidalati.
Minamalo kita kasih Andrika Bilesenia. Enter the Y corner. Amili Tuni Vambea, good morning, and Andy Vani Raida. Very well, good morning to happy birthday to the 1st of August. It's like them's always say in this morning.
Baby girl.
Happy birthday to Samuel Turangatani.
No, not yet.
On Sunday, because today is Friday. Tomorrow no bakalan bisinga.
Okay.
We'll back on bakalan bisinga on Monday.
Happy advance.
Happy advance in your school trip.
Ano na baby girl ano talaga bitin Emily. And namataga ni kuwa bakakina be Magi Sakoro. And bulu bisa mati kemnen na maramatin na kemnen na ngasi ni buli. Ngoli buli ni tao juga na buli traffic jam na matang ni kuwa. Kami bicara super sorry corridor. We say bulu mana welcome to Ouch Palang Show.
A special dedication to all the students of Nasinu Gospel Primary School.
All right.
Today they have their dance display program. Will be happen at the court. Good morning to you. They start at 9:50 a.m. this morning till 12:30 this lunchtime.
Okay.
Especially they doing the traditional meke. Different class. They have different performing items. They have. We good morning to you. Thank you very much, and especially to all the teachers out there. Not only in Nasinu Gospel, all over Fiji and abroad. For their wake up call every morning. Some of them they are struggling of teaching us. Because we have our own rights, we do what we want to do as a student.
Our own pace.
Our own pace. Thank you for maintaining and keep us alive in a nature and care of love that anybody can withstand from the teacher. They are the mother, they are the father of a school. We are less time spent with the parents in a walking site, in the urban area, in a prominent welfare. So we are thankful to the teacher. To the teacher, they are the parents. Most of our time we spend with them, rather than coming home.
True sometimes. Likewise to the Maris Brothers Primary School in the house today, HFC Bank Stadium to Gabi. Gabi run today. Gabi Galambula will run today.
Gabi,
like the son, like the father.
Like father, like son. He's the winger of Waimaro.
Who?
They just won the Korobada Tadaguri.
The Queen Kusau
they just won the challenge last week.
Oh, see. They said the same thing like the father, but That time, he was number 11. 1-1, You see the number 11 on that, you see 1-1. Now, the 50 Bumakam, he just waiting the number 1. That's 3 years ago.
The second one gone.
The second one gone 1. And now, he is the risk. Satu na 1. But it does not match the number on the side. Kasi ni tuwa ni Wakambamba. Satu pa doon na 6.
Mama ko, extra.
Sa ero da ke ero zoom corona 18. Hey, good morning to you and family from all the best to all the students of apa?
Gurnanak.
Siya
Maris Primary School.
Right.
Okay, today we'll hear the story, the extraordinary story, shocking story,
yes,
unbelievable story. When the Messi soul,
lesson learned.
When the Messi soul leave his body. Yeah.
Before that,
this was a few years back.
Yeah.
It happened in the morning, I think. Early in the morning, 9 o'clock, after 9?
No, it happened at around
midday?
2.
Oh, midday.
1 to 2 o'clock. Midday.
Okay. Please take us back. How many years back?
Far behind.
Okay, take us back. Messi, please take us back so that the listeners and the viewers can watch us and listen to us about your story when your soul leave your body.
So, Sandra Wesi, good morning. This is a true story.
True story.
One day I was walking from Namandi. Then we was planning to one of our family member. Emosin Rally Ambora, listening from Maniaba right now.
Diani.
Good morning to Takarua.
Yeah.
So when we going down, we going to Tito Toka.
Yeah.
For having a kapati.
That's when they were at Riwanga.
At
the lower building,
Yeah, at the lower kid.
Yeah.
So we went there. Before we went there, I feel my body does not like before. It's not like a normalism. It's a normal way.
Yeah.
And when I enter the... I said, no. outside Tito Toka, there is a bench there. I want to come, I said like this to the fellow friend. I want to sit. I feel my body does not
connect to the
connect to the climate change. I want to sit. But when I want to sit there, my body, my mind was like this. I don't want to sit here. If I faint from here, I'll receive a cement from there. And I can go to
Yeah.
Kona bulo,
Yeah.
So I try to enter the Tito Toka, sit there, because myself like a customer there. If something happened to me, these people will help me because they know me.
Yeah.
So, when I
will palm you.
Yes, and don't believe thankful to all the staff of Tito Toka for the helping. To one fella who was helping me and I pray him. So I'm going to go take the hospital. Now he's in England, British Army.
See?
Yeah, thankful. When I was entering like this, I feel my body was like
Yeah.
Class.
So you still sit in the bench or you went inside?
I went inside.
Right.
I went inside sitting where people used to sit and have breakfast.
Yeah.
When I sit
Nantela di Paramas.
When I was sitting there, the people, they see me, they knew something happened. I was
You look like a devil there.
No.
Oh.
I was when I was sitting there, somebody was looking at me, was new, He was a sepsis.
Yeah.
So look at me and this face is new for me. Please excuse me, can I have a cup of water?
Yeah.
I want to drink water. I feel my body was, testify, the karma, the kata lomang.
Oh, sa hell sarang ribut.
Hell me
satu saramil di
gua. Hell me betarabina amen. Boo, ciao. Drink cup of water. I sit.
Yeah.
Dambe and I was like this. Oh, my body does not feel okay. Then they ask me, what's wrong with you? Same time, hamar. Sa bulan na linganggu.
Yeah. What wash?
What was it going sama-sama? My body start white.
Yeah.
And like the fridge, misambu no bata-bata.
Oi.
Satu, kariyap.
You didn't know.
They remove my cigarette.
Oi.
They remove my cigarette. When they remove my singlet, my station t-shirt, VTFM t-shirt, I wear inside.
Written there, Superman.
Hey, this one is walking there. We see him live that time. Myself was doing that shift in the night. Tambung Keiko. So, hey, this one. Hari. Later myself class.
Oi!
I can remember class nga. They said, hurry up, take him to the hospital. Bring one taxi. Enter the Tulaw Arcade. Take me to the hospital. Myself, you know that the women who used to...
Yeah, Tabu. Yeah, she was there that day.
She was there.
Yeah.
The brother who take me together in the hospital. And together with Mos, Tadina. When we go to the hospital, Mos said the story. Tadina.
Yeah.
You know what? When we take you to the hospital, when the doctor sees, sorry, they menabunuay. Hurry up. They take the bed.
Yeah.
Kona lombi.
Yeah.
Put him there. 270 degrees Celsius.
Yeah.
Me undabo me kuni there sara me 90.
Yeah.
Me kuni 360. Kila me bau ben.
Meslant.
Iya, meslant.
Yeah.
Put him there. Hurry up, take him up. Keba kaembera na ngonengo sa.
Kick the bucket.
Apa kan tu amat.
Oi.
Atu na bunyo ya. And when they said that my Moshi was there, Moshi was crying.
Yeah.
And he wants to know my name. And Moshi, my real name is Ndemesi Kakaya.
Yeah.
My name on the birth certificate, Ndemesi Kakaya.
Yeah.
Now I'm using Ndemesi Kakaya.
Yeah.
So he said, what's his name? Ndemesi Kakaya.
Yeah.
Written typing on the machinist.
Yeah.
No Ndemesi Kakaya appear. Only Ndemesi. Yeah.
Yeah.
Only Ndemesi Kakaya here. He said, and they want to know my birth certificate. No, my birth certificate, the date of birth.
Yeah.
Yeah. They want to know my date of birth.
Yeah.
And they want me to talk.
Oi.
I can't feel anything.
Yeah.
And they put WhatsApp kantong bimbang punta men taga kinda.
Da Patuniani.
Teke. Kaya ngai bimbang punta bu.
Yeah.
Taga kinda mai.
Da soka.
Iyo makami koya
Yeah.
Kami bakinta weekend.
Yeah.
1 2
Oi.
Alam. Demesi. Second name?
Yeah.
Kakaya.
Yeah.
Date of birth. Ala ko sana dapat ako date of birth.
Yeah.
Okay, right. Sleep again.
Yeah.
Sleep again.
Yeah. Myself, they do the watering on my hand.
Yeah.
Put on the left, put on the right.
Yeah.
I sleep. When I sleep, my soul start to moving around.
Yeah. Reda. Yeah.
Sato sunelongku.
Yeah.
I go through everywhere where my friend is, where my family is.
Yeah.
Quando tukunitu, when somebody nearly passed away before, see, no when he comes here.
Yeah.
Somebody called my name. I heard his name was calling me.
Entomoy kasaranga.
Domoy kasanga, see.
Yeah.
It was him.
Kwasanga ko lang kami, gaya ba kami singatara ba ngayon din yung kasama ilan.
Yeah.
I was like that. I went to the village. I see my mom was cooking in the kitchen. I see the brother boys playing.
Yeah.
Coming back from the farm.
Yeah, Reda. Ayaw, eh?
I go to Lomaybun, I see my sister. I open the door, I see them, they're watching.
Yeah.
They never saw me.
Yeah.
And I want to tell them,
Yeah.
change. We muli sumbunikan namu, inakoro.
Yeah.
Change, repent. Can't mean the bisaw.
Yeah.
And I have to tell the mutukuna po na kau.
Yeah.
Please take me back. I want to go and muli tukuna na bayado biyaw.
Yeah.
This is true story.
Yeah.
Story.
Rongo da bici.
I have to go.
Yeah.
I have to go and say. This is true story. And I see many souls. People are passed away. We see them in the air. Erawa mo kitungo. Already with na kokila na saliu.
Yeah.
I saw them.
Wang nga, dapat talo sumay, ulay gyang batukir.
And that time they they're my only one son eh.
Yeah.
Sangga itu nga nalubengu kay kerekarua. Tuyang ay usingon eh.
Yeah.
So kaya magirusa mo kalima.
Nasara mo lako.
Eh Allah. Yeah. And I was like this to my life. I have to go back.
Yeah.
I have to go back.
Right.
So when I was around, I was like this. I want to go.
Yeah.
I see them. They're calling.
Yeah.
And one of my uncle said, "Go back.
Oi.
Go back." Myself going from home, coming back, and I was sleeping.
Yeah.
When I wake up, I never opened my eyes.
Yeah.
I knew that myself passed away.
Yeah.
I was like, I was out.
Yeah.
Nasa tos tukang ko nelong.
Right.
When I wake up like this, I smell the medicine. I never opened my eyes.
Sa kilay ko sa walang tu.
Iya, sa kilay when I smell the medicine, I know I'm in the mortuary.
Yeah.
I smell the medicine.
Yeah.
First of all, I know I'm in the hospital. Who bring me here?
Yeah. On the billing way.
When I was sleeping like this, the first thing I want to touch the bottom of the bed. Motaray ice. Dalawa lang sa dahan dapat tulungan ni Mochuri sa ice wabog ito nengo. I was sleeping, may ne?
Yeah.
No ice. I still close my eyes. Then I bring my hand.
Last test
mo. Musa test ka. Pulang ginati ko si Senga. Koy talon din na. Last test, I still close my eyes.
Yeah.
Aun reta minalingang my hand. Aun bite usung. Au katia. Kemo siya umbula. Kemo kasi sini mo siya sa haleng ka. I bite.
You bite.
Au katia ko. Katia ko.
Bites.
Au katia. Nangono katia ko na samo si. Au sabon ditak. Ay umbula. So ang kay tingin mo yan ramay. O yan ramay mo si matang ko para iyo. Emosi ena awata bale mari ka Canada. What's wrong with you? Boy. Sabi ado di ko tiyo Mickey. Who bring me here? Who have the rights to bring me here? O they la tamatan dia biale mo tuyo ko nandan mi ko tiyo Mickey. I was asking Then from there, I don't know that in the afternoon, I have to do another shift in the afternoon. And the Mosi, he knows my password of the phone. He put in our messenger that myself admitted in the hospital. He called my sister. They taramikan doon na loriliw. Doon na carrier to di sumamir to meridio. They know what's happening. Onde sauti. Hindi pa yan nakinibakan dewa. Onde sauti. Hindi tabuti onde sauti. Buhay na sa riyo, buhay lagi mo. Kaya Mosi doon na may patalayle mo. Hiyo. Pero maya when I realize I'm a human being. Nangor sa wanti takiliw sa ndora tamatambula. Sa ndora tamatambula so ang ngiribi na sa tong ngirimer. To sabi ngira kana ko bale. They calling each other. What's wrong with them? They said, I call them, I ask, I'm back from the village. You wear this Sulu? Yesterday. E kung tara makatu na isulong ko na no? Yes, how did you know? How sali sumen ako? Already ko ni mabasang gato. How? And I explain everything. I want you and tell the village from Nambun Kantam. We repent, mentabisaw. Everybody, if you see somebody where you go, ndemesi, talnota kinakango, that life is something else. Kentang bulatong ko na basic, we have a chance of living. We are fortunate enough. Some of us, we are unfortunate enough that we are not reaching today.
Because you've been there.
I'm coming
because
from
you
there.
felt the heat.
Boy. I was praying for my family. I was praying for everybody. I want to share that story so that we can be a lesson learned.
Doon mo ba na?
Galelo re baka malua. Ivalimbula. Ni laylay na wanyangong.
Baga sa onde ko chika sinlong.
Kumusi.
Nga sa onde sa uchi. Sa chukango sa kerker berto ruai ser. Kerker bunuai kon na lati dikis bimbi. Kon na lati blue. O sa kami pa sulti ko. Inde mengay bosor ko kana binde. Wispa tu inde mesisies. Sa ndongan lo manibu palen ko kir-kir rito kan. Into na labad ndo mo.
Binabalik Sarah, thank you very much to Binod Patel, to what did you
Punjas.
Thank you very much for this morning.
Ngani bupale lolo mangani bupale kirno mitoka dinto kana imbari ni lolo masangke ni gobiku. Ni ora tel kan minta lolo mata kuana una ya.
Boy.
Iyo mas laki.
Iyo.
Laki ko ya. Ni seni tu nabi ko tiko ya.
Iya.
Le suke buki moto, le balu telok.
Iyo. Asua.
Isali mo italo na pa ito dorong atong kung tatarong sa kami ngusuna into sali sumay na puno ya.
Iyo. Is. Dirasa.
Kimunino kanta.
Ayaw na nuguli sumaya.
Iyo.
Vida batananga uno siya bandu ni rula kain dua, siya bosa data kain dua.
Iya.
Nanunggu ba pinakata miu.
Pinaka.
Pinaka. May talon nota ko talon nota kay balik. Ito undo luto.
Iya.
Undo talon nota kay berarti balik. Nio kenda.
Iya.
Mentan taong bulat tak kanang bulan ni daw bebukay.
Iya.
Taong bulat tak kanang bulan ni maraw.
Iya.
Dan bulat tak kanang bulan kerbe busuti. Ya usah bakang gayon na taman ni lengkal ya munggo. Baka sangge orto kinalaman kung binakata tali mumbula. Au binakata muli kerbe busuti beira na kangku.
Iya.
Beira ba mabuata tu nelon ra.
Iya.
Beira ra bertani puno ya sini ka.
Namu mu serangan gor na mu buru-buru ya. Bir na mu friends na numbikil ya. Kadi maka tuir mali olala.
Hudi mero. Au sa tu bango sali bango nuku bakasama. Tu na nuku kerbe busuti kiri karua. Na mau na nunggu lutu tu mai balabu.
Iya.
Kaya ngai mai tini tu yeli.
Iya, dirsar.
Ni sembera tu ni warau.
Iya.
Saka di nakalu.
Iya.
Mau tau sembera satu ni warau.
Iya. Gok sa warau?
Awa. Taruh gua taruh kino tu taruh ngapa mau kali. Mana. Jangan sarangan di besa uma.
Mana kata gua tu kita mo.
Awa tanggali taruh gua taruh kino tu ana tabu tanga kali. Tim ini nambah laki mati gua sebagai rema school.
Udah boleh besar anda binaka. Maka di binaka boys. Udah boleh kimni no kata. Ada betapa ciron tahu palang isu mata kau tanah pakai bule untuk ditalo cukina. Menta tahu velo mani nda bina kata kia tanah elon ta. Mena bina katu ngambal ta sini kila. Nyo koya ecunga santa bingon todok.
Dirasa.
Iya.
Oh di bina kada sini kuwa meta pun nonton ngano kataraba. Siapa cuma mana salika kambura kada BTFM. Nomu like ya video ngo. Nomu hat. Wata ke mo share ta kan di